Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete old Windows file. So to delete this old Windows file, go to search bar, then search, type here disk cleanup, disk cleanup, open Windows 11 C drive, okay, then click on cleanup system file, then again okay. It will take few minutes. It depends on how your computer is speed. If your computer is super fast, then it will take little bit time. See, it's come up after 3 minutes. This pop-up is come up, so we will here find out this one, previous Windows installation. Click on it, then OK. .4 GB, how big the file is. Then click OK. Then delete files. The file will be deleted. It will take few moments. We are waiting. If you clean up the previous Windows installation temporary file install, you will no longer be able to restore machine preview Windows. Are you sure that want to? Yes. Finally this file is deleted, so we can check in this PC, then C drive. Yes, finally the old Windows file is deleted. So please like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.